Yeah, welcome back to our channel. From this video onwards, we will be creating Arduino tutorial series. Whether you are new to electronics or looking to deep dive into Arduino, this series will guide you through hands-on project and the skill that you can build right here in Tinkercad. So before moving to Arduino, we will be building a simple circuit to get an idea of this platform, how to use this platform Tinkercad. You can create a free account here. I will provide the link in the description. So let's get started. Once you create an account and log into Tinkercad, you will have this kind of interface. This is the home page. We have three sections: 3D design, circuit, and code blocks. You will find this create button. Click on this, create a circuit. This will create a new circuit. So first you can rename your project. I will keep this in production. Make sure you follow along with me. Okay, this is the component gallery. You can pick various component. We have basic component. You can choose as per category. For the time being, we will stick with basic component. Click on small breadboard. You can place it at a good place. You can give it its name. Now we will take the LED. You can place it anywhere you like. We'll keep this L1F. If I hover over this point, you can see a red mark and the green connected dots. So this is indicating it is internally connected. So whatever you connect in one dot, it will be vertically connected with other dots also. Similarly, for this positive and negative rail, these are connected horizontally. So all these points are connected internally. Similarly for this negative rail also. So this is how a breadboard works. Okay, so I have placed this LED. We have two terminal, anode and cathode. Cathode is negative terminal and anode is positive terminal. So this is the 13th line. I will connect the cathode with negative terminal. So this is the wire. You can see in this color also. Let's keep it black only. Now I will take one resistor. Press R to rotate. I will connect this resistor to the positive terminal or anode of this LED. Just click when you find a suitable position. You can rename it. The renaming component is a good thing, so that will be organized when you have a very big project. After that, we have completed placing this component. We need a power source, which is a battery. The positive will be connected with the resistor. So as I said, this line will be vertically connected internally, and I will change this wire color to red, indicating this is a positive rail, and I will connect the negative to the negative rail. You can also adjust this node to make this circuit more beautiful. Click on it and change the color to black. Now once you have done building this circuit, you can just quickly check if all the connections are correctly done. For example, this LED cathode is connected to negative rail, so the battery negative also connected to same negative rail. The anode of this LED is connected to resistor. This is a one key resistor. As you can see, we have different units. This is kilo ohm and this is 1, so it is 1 kilo ohm. You can change the value. I will keep it 1k, but we do have a formula to calculate this. We will see that in later video. So everything looks good. We will simulate now. So you have to click on the start simulation, and as you can see, our LED is glowing perfectly. If I stop the simulation, it will stop working. If I start the simulation, it will start working. So this is how you simulate a basic circuit in Tinkercad. This was an overview of how to draw a circuit in Tinkercad. In the next video, we will work with Arduino and we will see what is an Arduino and how we can write our first hello world code. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.